Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching this video from. Guys, my name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece, and you're watching me live here in Kalulushi, Zambia. And I'm in a beautiful town here in Kalulushi, a town which emerged because of the mines, or which because of the companies that were here in 1950s, 1960s. So that's why this company was emerged. So guys, I'm here and I'm vlogging near this place which is called Kalulushi Training Center. Kalulushi Training Center here in Kalulushi, and this is where I'm doing my vlog. I just want to show you the properties that are here, the houses, how beautiful they are, you know, because this area, it's one of the residential area which is where we can say this is where the rich hides. This is where the rich here in Kalulushi hides. It's one of the beautiful area, I'm telling you. So please, as you're enjoying this video, do me a favor guys, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. Each and every time when I upload content, you are always there to watch. So this is Kalulushi guys, enjoy the content. You can see one of the beautiful area. So we are coming from this side. You can see how rich this area or this neighborhood is. So this is cool, and behind me there is a lion queen. Yes, lion queen. And in front of me there is, let me show you. In front of me, when you look at that billboard there, that is Kalulushi Training Center. And this is the Kalulushi Training Center that you don't know here in Zambia. So this is a training center, and it's here in Kalulushi. So this is a road. So when you are coming from pt3, you are heading to Kalulushi Town Center. You don't need to turn. If you are looking for this Kalulushi Training Center, you don't need to turn. All you need is just to ask around the Partason buildings here, and then after the hospital. In short, after the hospital, you can just say, I'm going to Kalulushi Training Center, and then they'll show you this place. So this is Kalulushi Training Center guys, here in Kalulushi, and you can see how beautiful this area looks. You can see how rich this area is. It's so rich. You can see even the houses can tell. The houses can tell, the yards can tell. You see how beautiful guys. See how beautiful and how awesome. See, let me just even get close. You see that one? You see this one? This is how this area is. So when you come to Zambia, you're asking yourself, where can I live? I want to be in the Copper Belt. Now I need to live in Kalulushi. If you want to live in Kalulushi and you want to live in these kinds of areas, wow, you're welcome. You're welcome to Zambia. Let me show you once again the Kalulushi Training Center. Let me show you once again. Let me do this. So this is Kalulushi Training Center here in Kalulushi, and this is the yard for them. You can see that is the building for them. That is Kalulushi Training Center. So, like I was saying, I want to visit Zambia. When I visit Zambia, I want to be staying in these kinds of places. Take a look at this area very well. You can live, and you can live freely. Nobody will trouble you. Nobody will say, you, what are you doing here? As long as you are paying some mullahs. You see? You can see. And these kinds of houses here, you don't need to be paying $100. No. Somewhere $300, and that is a small house, not the whole house. So somewhere around $500 going upward, because this area is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. You can see. Take a look at this. You are renting a house like this one that you are seeing here. You are renting a house like this one. See how big it is. The yard is so huge. You can park, I don't know if it's how many cars, 5, 8, 10 cars in one yard. So this is where we are coming from. So guys, right now I think I'm heading to Kalulushi town center. This is where I'm going. I need to go there. I need to get a bus, and then I go to Kitwe town center. From Kitwe, and then I need to go home. Look at this, how beautiful this area is. Take a look at this, how beautiful this area is. This area is so good and so beautiful. You can see how gorgeous some areas are. This is a wonderful place, guys. This is a wonderful place, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this house here. Wow. So So guys, this is the tarmac. If you're going to Kitwe, this is the tarmac. So this is the road that we are going to use for us to go to Kitwe. We are going to use this same road as we are going home. And thank you for everyone who has been so good to us. Thank you so much for everyone who has been supporting us. Thank you for everyone who has been here on this channel, trying to document with me this area. Thank you so much. You can see how beautiful this area is. You can see the houses. You can see everything. See. When I look at how people they are building houses, sometimes I think of myself to say, are they going to carry these houses to heaven, because this is so beautiful and you cannot leave this kind of beauty here. Some houses, they're so amazing, like this one. Oh, guys, people, they are building. This is how beautiful this area looks like. See? It's how beautiful. I've told you. I have told you. This is where I need to walk fast so that I need to leave time for me to reach Kitwe and then move home, because see how beautiful this is. See, President Avenue here in Partason. The beauty of this residential area is near the road which goes to Kitwe and which goes to Kalulushi town center, and that is the beauty. As you are moving going to Kalulushi town center, or as you are moving from Kalulushi going to Kitwe, you're going to see this beauty. That's the beauty part of this area, and it's so beautiful. I'm telling you, my heart goes away when I take a look at these kinds of areas. So guys, when you take a look at this area, this is one of the beautiful area here in Kalulushi, which is Partason area. Opposite to my left side, there are Partason buildings, and this area is a statue of people who died in fighting for the land here at Partason. So they were buried here, I think that is my imagination. I think they were buried here, and this is a statue which is here. Now, the problem is that I wanted to get close so that I read what is written there. Now, I was stopped. I don't know why a lot of people, they act like this. We are being refused to access these kinds of things in these kinds of areas. Then, why are you putting these things here if you cannot allow people to access them? Where they were buried, I think, and these people, they fought so hard to fight for this land or this area called Partason. So I'm here at this area in Kalulushi, and this is the roundabout, you see, and here the roundabout, and this is the Partason market. This is the old market here in Kalulushi. I mean, these are old buildings here in Partason.